We now bring in our SI legal analyst, Michael McCann. Michael, little concrete evidence has come out about these allegations, and the My Truth in Letters author says she's prevented from speaking by a non-disclosure agreement. What do we know about the Panthers' NDAs, and can they actually legally stop victims from speaking about harassment?
They could potentially stop victims from speaking about harassment, and we haven't seen the NDAs, so we haven't seen exactly how they're worded. The enforceability of NDAs generally holds that when an employee or former employee is paid some amount of money as part of a contract to not talk about certain claims, that the employee has to adhere to that contractual commitment, or they could be sued for breach of contract. But that's the general rule. Here, for instance, we don't know if Jerry Richardson might have violated the NDA by some of his comments to other owners, in which case the NDAs may no longer be enforceable. So there are certain variables at play, but generally speaking, NDAs are enforceable.
What power does the NFL actually have to force the Panthers and Richardson to cooperate with the investigation?
Yeah, the NFL is in a difficult position in terms of compelling cooperation. Obviously, the NFL is not a law enforcement agency. It's not the government. It doesn't have subpoena powers. It can't execute search warrants. It can't compel someone to testify under oath. These are all practical realities of any private business when they're trying to conduct an investigation. And that's true of the NFL with its teams. That said, the NFL has certain inherent authorities in the Constitution for cooperation among teams, and the NFL can punish teams for not being cooperative. For instance, the NFL can levy fines of up to $500,000 or take away draft picks. So the NFL does have some powers, but they are contractual rather than based on some kind of law enforcement mechanism.
Thanks, Michael. So much more to unpack with this case, and we'll continue to check in with you as things unfold.
Thank you.